Hello dear students, I'm Assistant Professor Rushalia here. In the previous session of Fermentation Technology Part 2nd, we have studied about the production process of glutamic acid. तो हमने पिछले लेक्चर में प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस स्टडी किया था. इन दिस सेशन वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द सेपरेशन एंड प्योरिफिकेशन ऑफ ग्लूटामिक एसिड. Once the fermentation process is completed, the specific methods are used for the separation and purification of amino acid from fermentation broth, as well as if it contains different kinds of contaminants. These contaminants are also separated and pure amino acid. Here we are producing glutamic acid, so pure glutamic acid can be obtained from the fermentation process. So once the fermentation process is completed, the number of process like centrifugation, filtration, crystallization, ion exchange, electrodialysis, solvent extraction, decolorization and evaporation, all these processes are carried out one by one for the separation and purification of glutamic acid. Typically पहले क्या किया जाता है, this recovery process, it was given by the scientist M. Masahi. Scientist M. Masahi, he gave the process for the recovery of glutamic acid. So for the recovery उन्होंने क्या किया, the fermented broth, it is adjusted to pH 5 to 6 by 35% HCl, and it is cooled to 50 degrees Celsius, and while cooling the crystallization of glutamic acid is carried out. These crystals form होने लगते glutamic acid, but proper crystals are not formed. This slurry, it contains the crystals of glutamic acid with microbial cells. अभी मीडिया का हमने क्या फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट होने के बाद हमारे फर्मेंटर में मीडिया है, माइक्रोबियल सेल्स है और उसमें ग्लूटामिक एसिड भी है. तो पहले हम उसका पीएच एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं एट 5 to 6. This pH it is adjusted by adding 35% of HCl और टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक ले जाते हैं. एट दिस टेम्परेचर ग्लूटामिक एसिड के क्रिस्टल्स बनने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. एक बार क्रिस्टल्स बनने स्टार्ट हो गए, ये जो स्लरी बन जाती, द स्लरी विच कंटेन्स glutamic acid and microbial cell, it is passed through super decanter and the mother liquor और या फिर हमारा जो भी स्लरी बनती है, that it is heated, and after heating it is subjected to filtration technique. Here the filtration is carried out by using ultra filters, which helps to remove the microbial cells, and the transparent filters are also subjected to recrystallization. Then after filtration, our mother liquor, it is transferred to the basket type centrifuge, and here the centrifugation process is carried out, which helps in the separation of the glutamic acid and the nutrient broth. Once the crystals are removed or separated by the centrifugation process, these crystals are dissolved in the water and heated at 40 degrees Celsius to prepare a aqueous solution of glutamic acid. एक बार एक्वियस सॉल्यूशन बन गया, एक्वियस सॉल्यूशन बनने के बाद ये सॉल्यूशन को हम आयन एक्सचेंज क्रोमेटोग्राफी यूज़ करके सेपरेट कर लेते हैं. हाउ डज दिस प्रोसेस डन्स दिस सॉल्यूशन, हमने क्या किया, जो भी क्रिस्टल्स थे ग्लूटामिक एसिड के, उस क्रिस्टल को वाटर में डिजोल्व करके उसे 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस को हीट किया और एक्वियस सॉल्यूशन बन गया. आफ्टर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस एक्वियस सॉल्यूशन इट इज पास्ड थ्रू द कॉलम ऑफ अम्बरलाइट IRA68. It is a basic anion exchange type of resin which helps in the recovery of glutamic acid. Once the glutamic acid is separated or withdrawn solution, it is decolorized with the help of activated charcoal at 40 degrees Celsius, and the decolorized solution is again filtered with the help of suction filter. After filtration, it is concentrated with the help of evaporation process. Evaporation process में क्या होता है, जो भी excess water present होता है वो excess water evaporate हो जाता है and a concentrated glutamic acid is obtained, which is further crystallized, and this crystallization it is carried out by cooling the कंपोनेंट्स. हमने क्या किया था, एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल डिकलराइजेशन की प्रोसेस में 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर रखा था. तो टेम्परेचर धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे कम हो जाता है एंड टेम्परेचर कम होते वक्त ग्लूटामिक एसिड के प्योर ग्लूटामिक एसिड के क्रिस्टल्स बनने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. दीज प्योर ग्लूटामिक एसिड क्रिस्टल्स एंड दैर further used in various industries like food industries, cosmetic industries, or various pharmaceutical industries for the different purposes. So this is the process of separation and purification. Once the pure crystals of glutamic acid it is separated, then glutamic acid crystal it is added to the sodium hydroxide solution. इस क्रिस्टल को हम क्या करते हैं, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन में ऐड करते हैं, which helps to convert these crystals into monosodium glutamate, which is also known as MSG. And this monosodium glutamate is soluble in water and less likely to absorb moisture and has strong umami taste. It has a very strong delicious taste. It is this monosodium glutamate it is cleaned by using activated charcoal or active carbon, which has many micro holes on their surface, whereas it can also be concentrated by heating, which helps in the formation of crystals of monosodium glutamate. These crystals are then dried with the hot air, and then these monosodium glutamate crystals are packed, and after packing they are ready to sold in the market. So these are all the process included in the separation and purification of glutamic acid. Here we end with the production of glutamic acid by the fermentation process. Thank you.